Stop saying I should, I need, I want. These three little phrases are secretly programming your subconscious to keep you stuck. Here's why this matters. Your subconscious doesn't argue with you. It believes everything you say. And about 95% of your daily behavior runs on your subconscious programs. So when you repeat words like I should, I need, I want, you keep saying to your subconscious that I'm not free, I don't have, it's not here. And it keeps creating your life from that script. I will show you how you can rephrase these phrases into positive language that actually supports you. So you can stop reinforcing lack and start programming abundance, choice, and presence into your life. If you like what you heard so far, make sure you hit the subscribe so you don't miss the next videos where we will go into even deeper things and more phrases, more about the conscious language and other topics. So let's start with phrase number 1, I should. I should. It creates pressure and it suggests guilt if you don't live up to that idea of what you should do. I should contains this idea that things are not as they're supposed to be. Something should be different somehow. And that is an idea, that is a belief, an assumption that doesn't align with reality. It's like there is a belief that there is an outside authority telling you what's right and wrong, how things are supposed to be, and saying that this is not enough, and you are not enough, and you have to do something. You are not free. A way we can change this is by changing our language, changing the way we say things. So instead of saying I should, you can say I choose to. Then you put yourself in the state of being the creator, of having the power, of having the freedom. So for example, instead of saying I should meditate, you can say I choose to meditate. I choose to meditate because it supports me, my clarity, my well-being. Or you can say I can meditate, then it's still free. I can meditate if I want, for example. Or I love to meditate. I love meditation. I enjoy to meditate. I like to meditate. And you're already like kind of inviting that feeling of being in meditation, and you're inviting that relation of yes to it. Because when you say I should, you also create a pressure. And with that pressure, naturally, because we want to feel free, you can sense a resistance to it, to actually do it, what you actually want to do. Should creates pressure, it creates guilt, and this next phrase is a little bit sneakier. It is I need, and I need creates lack. Let's go there. So when you say I need, you program lack. You program I don't have enough. I don't have what it takes. I don't have it. You're telling your subconscious that I don't have. So you enforce the state of not having, of feeling lack, of feeling something is missing. One way you can shift this is with gratitude or openness and actually seeing that you have everything you need. But that might take some understanding, some insight, which comes naturally when we're open to it. So seeing that you have everything you need, you might not have everything you need to, let's say, buy that thing. So you say to yourself, I need money. Instead of saying that, you can say, I am so happy and grateful for the money I have and for the money I receive. Because I imagine the truth is not that you don't have any money. Even if you have $1, you can say, I am so grateful for the money I have and for the money I receive. You can also say, I welcome financial flow. I love having money, spending money, receiving money. I can feel the flow. I trust that the money I need will come to me in the right time. But even if you stop saying I need, this next phrase keeps you stuck in an even more sneaky way. And this is so common that we use this phrase, and it looks very innocent, and it is the phrase I want. Let's look into it. So when you say I want, again you're saying I don't have, there is a lack, this is not enough. Or you say that I lack, I don't have. When you say I want money, you reinforces that state of wanting. And the more you stay in this state and saying this to yourself, I want, I want, I want, you're feeding that wanting. So the subconscious will try to create that reality for you where you want, where you don't have, where there is a distance. It's not here and now, it's there and then. It's in the future. And then it seems so unreachable. And again, gratitude is a great way to create abundance. It's a key to abundance. So when you're grateful, you're telling the subconscious, you're telling the existence, the universe, that I appreciate this, I'm so grateful for this. And then the universe, the existence, will want to give you more of that. So you get more to appreciate, more to be grateful for. And these are just 3 phrases. Imagine when you're changing your whole language, you're changing your whole reality. Imagine every word you speak is a command to your subconscious. Now I want to hear from you. Drop in the comments one phrase that you see yourself repeating and would like to change or have some question about, and we rephrase it together. I will reply to all the comments. Write it in the comments, and when you write it in the comments, you already putting words on it, you read it, you hear your mind reading it, so you involve more senses, and already you're starting the reprogramming. And if you feel like this resonates with you, that you feel connected to what has been said here in this video, hit the subscribe, follow for more. I will talk more about this, more phrases, more ways we can create a more positive experience of our lives. We'll talk about more ways to create a more abundant, rich reality for ourselves from inside and out. So this is just the beginning. Hit the subscribe. See you in the comments. Peace.